Hello my YouTube lovelies, and welcome to this short update video. I just wanted to keep you abreast of what's been going on recently. The last couple of videos you may have seen were two interludes, which were videos or material that I shot years ago on a trip to Jakarta to see my kids. And then before that there was the vlog of the days in lockdown. Obviously since that last vlog, which was shot in end of May, beginning of June, a lot's happened since then, so I'll try and keep you abreast of what's going on. I moved on to another location. There will be a vlog which will show you where I was and what I got up to. If you can't wait, those of you who are intuitive in one way or another would have seen the video probably of Ashes, Lost in Europe. I forget the name of the title now. Something like back to reality or something like that. I can't remember now. But that was taken at the place where I spent a couple of months over the summer. And since then I've now gone back to work. So all of this time I was off work due to not being able to go to work because the campus was closed and locked down to members of staff. But we finally got the green light around about the beginning of August, and I've been back at work now for what, 4 weeks now. So that's kind of what I've been doing over the last few months. It's quite cool to be back at work, although hard work in some respects because I've been away for so long. So just getting back into the routine of finding my park ups, etc., and seeing how the land lies, and just getting back into the routine of things has taken me longer than I expected. But I'm there now. And I've done a few bits and pieces on the van. I've gone to a couple of little weekends here and there, spent some time away by myself and with other van people, and I'm now at this point where I'm sort of doing the last few jobs to sort of see me through winter, through my third winter, and trying to get back into the swing of editing videos and uploading content for your perusal, for your viewing pleasure. So I have a few vlogs to do, and I'm in the process of doing a promo video for season 2 of the van build. And as I said in previous vlogs, don't hold your breath, but it will be coming soon. I promise you, there will be more content regular on your screens for your delight. And before I go, one other last reason for this update is to tell you that I, along with every other van lifer it seems, will be going to the International Campervan show at Stratford upon Avon. I was planning on going when it was originally scheduled for April time, but obviously that got cancelled, and now the new dates, or the second half of the year dates, have come up. So I shall be there along with all of your other favourite YouTubers, and van lifers and van people. So I've got a code which has been kindly forwarded on to me. So if you would like to come to said event and have some form of discount on your ticket for the weekend for the International Campervan Show, which is run in conjunction with the Overland show, I think, Overland Campervan Show. It's the 19th and the 20th of September. And if you'd like to come along and meet Mr. Anderson, aka Neo, and his driver Rob, I'd be more than happy to say hi and answer your questions and just chat and just get to meet you guys. The code I shall put up on the screen. I might even put it in the description below, but the code is RPIMLSE20. So if you go to the booking site and go through the whole process, and then if you then type in that promo code, you will get a discount of some sort. So those of you who like your phonetic alphabet, it is Romeo Papa, India Mike, Lima, Sierra Echo 20. So it'd be really nice to see you. If you've never met me before and you see me walking around or you see my van, come up to me and go, "Hey, are you Rob from Red Pill Motion?" That'll put a smile on my face, because no one's ever done that to me before, so that'd be kind of nice. And I'll be along with other van people, other heroes of mine, other heroes of yours, I presume, and I'll be more than happy to sort of spend some time chatting and getting to know you. So if you'd like to come to that, please go along to the site, and I'll try and put the details in a description below so you can see where to click on. So that's the update. As I say, I will be endeavouring to do more vlogs and episodes. I have hundreds and hundreds of hours of footage on my hard drive from the summer, etc. So I've got a few things planned, things that I'd like to do. And once I'm back into the routine properly, I shall be uploading and putting more things on my channel for you to watch. So until next time, if this is the first time you've watched this, hello, and please follow, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.